No, I'm not lying.
Now tell me the genuine hour. That how many hours do you study really?
Every day, not a fixed time. I study in 7 hours, but I change every day. Change in sometimes 7 hours, sometimes 6 hours, and
Sometime 24 hours.
No, 9 hours, not a 24 hours.
You are here in Delhi to study.
Yes.
Focus on your study. This is important. Okay. How many of you live? You alone live there, or
No, my sister and me and my brothers also live in this room.
live there? Okay, that means you live with your brother and siblings.
Yes,
How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings and including me.
I have 3 siblings, including me. This is the good answer. How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings and
Don't use here. I have 3 siblings, including me.
I have 3 siblings and including me.
And don't you speak and here.
I have 3 siblings including me.
Nice, good. Okay, that you have boyfriend?
No, I don't have boyfriend because I don't like boyfriend.
I think you're lying.
No, I'm true.
Your face, I can read your face.
No, I don't have boyfriend because I don't like boyfriend and I don't have time. I waste my time in boyfriend.
But you have boyfriend because your face tells me this. Your eyes tells the truth, but your mouth is telling the. Your mouth is trying to conceal the fact, I think.
No, sir, my eyes is like
Your eyes is lying. Your mouth is telling the truth.
yes, my eyes is lying.
Wow. Your eyes are lying, but my mouth is telling the truth. But I heard
My
this
eyes is lying. My eyes is
lying.
but my mouth is true.
Your mouth is speaking truth.
Yes, my mouth.
But I heard this from the many of the scholars, preachers, teachers, lecturers, professors, supreme motivational speakers, influencers, that mouth can tell lie, but eyes always tells the truth.
I don't know, sir, but I don't have boyfriend. I don't like boyfriend.
Do you like to talk about this topic?
Yes, I like.
That means you have. That means you are showing your interest in this matter.
No, I'm interesting, but I don't have
I
boyfriend.
can take interest in this matter.
I can.
देखो सही सेंटेंस जो बोलना है उसमें कैन कुड डू डज आप यूज करें आप इम्प्रूव करें आप सिंगल ऑब्जेक्ट्स और सिर्फ ना बोलें so that's fantastic. Okay, this topic is very interesting, quite interesting. Okay, do you think that everybody should have boyfriend? Do you think this?
Sir, मतलब?
I want to tell you. What do you think about the people? People means girls. Girls have boyfriend or not? Girls should have boyfriend.
Yes,
So why don't you have?
because I'm not interested to make a boyfriend.
I'm not interested in making boyfriend.
I'm not interested in making boyfriend because I don't have time.
Okay, that means you study only for 6 hours. You have 18 hours
Then
to
after
chat
I
with you.
make a full day
That
and
means you got broken up.
every time I don't have boyfriend.
But since your childhood you don't have boyfriend.
Yes,
That means you're single.
yes, I was single.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, can I ask some more questions about related to this topic or can I quit this topic?
No, you can ask me the
This is very interesting. Okay, I want to know one thing. I'm not your teacher right now. I'm just a friend. I'm asking just question and you just try to speak in English and try to improve your English language only, okay?
Okay.
So, what do you think about girls who have many boyfriends at the same time? So, do you think that this is good or this is very bad for their future life as well? Because some boys are very psycho. They can kill that girl. They can also do and harm that girl. So, what do you think about this?
According to me, if you have a boyfriend, and I think you waste your time and
You're wasting your time.
wasting your time and kill your future. Firstly,
Yeah.
firstly you focus on your future
Study and
goals.
future careers.
Yes, firstly your priority, you focus on your goals.
Your first priority should be your goal and career.
Yes.
That means you want to suggest to my lovely audience that we should not involve and indulge into these matters. We should play safe because this is dangerous.
Yes.
We should focus on our goals. Actually, this is the
And
message we want to
nowadays,
communicate to our
many
message.
girls and boys face the depression and region of a boyfriend girl breakup region. So, according to me, it's a
Okay, that
waste
means you
our
want to
time.
tell that the people who are in depressed, who are facing the anxiety problems,
Yes.
stress, depression, this is caused because of boyfriend or girlfriend. That means the relationship. So that means this relation is not good.
No, sir.
So why are you showing your interest to talk about this? Because of this generation. Yeah.
These people are thinking like a boys and girls. I make a three to not only depend on one girls and one boys, depend on the 3-4 girlfriend and
Your friend as well.
boyfriend as well.
Okay, so how a person can handle two girlfriends at the same time? Because I don't think so that this is very tough one. One girl cannot be tolerated by a single boy. How can a boy tolerate and afford and just what should I tell you about the girl? That they have 5 girlfriends and in spite of they are just tolerating all the tantrums and the actings of the girls and dramas, whatever they play in the relationship, they are just acting that I'm crying for you, I'm not eating because of you, I'm going to die because you are not talking to me, you are not chatting with me. So do you think that this is the real or this is just drama? This is just fake.
According to me, this is just drama.
This not that means they're eating and they're saying that I'm not eating and I will not be eating.
Only like overacting.
Overacting. This is the drama only.
Yes.
Sometimes they blog and after sometimes they unblog.
Block.
Why these kind of things are going?
Because boys not understand the girls and girls told me the girls
Tell.
tell me the some wrong words, then boys also block and unblock.
I think you're talking about your life.
No, I am not talking about my life. Only I
You're
don't,
talking about the general girls.
yes, I don't have any experience, but
Okay.
I saw my friend life.
Okay, you have seen this with your friend. That means it happened with your friend that you are sharing with me. Oh, nice.
Yes.
Okay, that means you have lots of observation. You have not experience, but you have not got experience
I don't
anymore.
have experience.
Oh, I got your point that you have not got an experience at all, but you have observation. No?
Yes,
That means you have seen with that happened with somebody was sharing with me that. I am very happy for you that you are very intelligent. And that lady you are focusing on your career and you are just advising our audience, lovely and very cute audience. They are watching that we are just discussing about the girlfriend and boyfriend. So that amazing. Okay, one more question that is going on in your mind. That I have already told you. I'm just trying to train you in English. Don't take it seriously. Don't take it to heart, and just try because this question is very interesting question. Everyone wants to discuss about it, and this is not bad at all. I think, in my point of view, this is not bad at all. Everyone should discuss about this matter. Who will discuss about if you don't discuss? And you are young, so as you know that you must think about it. That tell me one more question that I want to ask you. That why a boyfriend or a girlfriend block any number that I'm not going to talk to you anymore, I'm not going to ask you, I'm not going to fight with you, I'm going to block you? Why this is happening in a relationship? Why they don't think to make their relationship beautiful? Why they are not living an amazing life? Why it is being happened in the society? And this causes to have a breakup. So I want to know from you that why a girl or boy block anyone's number?
So, but I don't have any experience, but according to me, boys nowadays only play the girls, and girls.
Boys are playing with girls' emotions.
Yes, boys are playing with girls' feelings and emotions.
Okay.
And girls is always serious.
Okay, girls are serious
Yes,
with the boys.
girls are serious. And boys are not serious.
You're talking about all girls?
Yes.
Okay.
But not all girls. Many girls. Some I talking about the some girls.
You're talking about some girls.
Yes.
Okay, nice. That's fantastic.
And
What do you think about all boys are the same?
not a shame.
Yeah, many of the scholars
But
said
almost
that
boys-
all fingers are not same, so that means all boys are
Almost
not.
boys are the same because both are relationship come in third person. Then boys
That person will destroy their
destroy
relationship.
their life, and almost boys searching the best girls.
Wow.
Like
And what do you think about girls? Girls are running after money. They don't see the face, character, habits, attitude. They don't want to see that, look at that. They don't want to have a great personality. They don't want to look at that personality who have the best character. They don't want to see that. But the girls are running after money. The person who have money, they can come into the relationship with that personality. Why? This is good or bad?
this is, according to me, this is bad because only girls is come.
Girls are
come like a show of the
coming.
of the show of the money. Money will be over, then come girls is come.
Girls leave the bad person.
Girls leave the bad person.
Okay, what do you think about my? Just tell me my thought. This is not my thought. Actually, what the question I'm asking, this is also my observation. This is not my thought. That girls stays with that personality who have lots of money. Girls, when girls leave a boy, they don't think about that boy, those boys' feelings, emotions, what they suffer from, what they suffer with, what they are suffering in, and which situation he is in right now. Girls leave. They don't think about the emotion of boys. Why? This is right or wrong?
This is wrong.
Girls think the boys' emotion and feelings when girls leave the boys.
This is, according to me, this is wrong because
What is wrong?
it's
I want to
not
know.
good habits. Na ki you play the girl, you play the boys'
You play
feelings.
with boys' feelings.
You play with boys' feelings.
I'm not talking about this is wrong or right.
This is wrong.
So what do you think? Girls do this or this is my illusion?
Girls always care the boys
When they leave.
when they leave.
When girls find the best personality, then the current boy.
Girls not show the best personality. Girls always loyal for.
Girls are loyal towards their boyfriend.
Girls are loyal for their boyfriend.
Towards their boyfriends. Really?
Boyfriend, but boys are not loyal. Boys are only play the girls' feelings and
Good
they
feelings.
search the everything. Almost search the new girls. According to me.
Okay. Can you prove? Do you have any proof that you are saying this?
Yes, I.
Have you seen this with
Yes.
anybody happening this kind of things, or you're just telling the unknown fact, unwanted fact, uncertain, uncertain, unsecure, unclear fact? Do you have any proof that you are saying that boys
yes.
are
I
always
have.
thinking about other girls?
Yes, I have a proof. Then before
some time.
some time I live in PG.
Okay, I used to live in PG.
I used to live in PG, and my friend and me live in PG. And I said my friend story. My friend Lord. दूसरे एक तरफा प्यार को क्या कहते हैं?
One side love.
One side love her boyfriend.
What did you mean?
मतलब सर वो अपने बॉयफ्रेंड से बहुत प्यार करते थे.
She loved her boyfriend a
She
lot.
loved her boyfriend, but boyfriend only play her.
But boyfriend was playing with her emotion.
Boyfriend was playing
With her emotion. With her emotion.
With her emotion.
Okay. This is the real case.
This is the real case.
Real मतलब छोटी मोटी बातें होती रहती हैं बड़े बड़े शहरों में. Such a small thing keep happening in big cities. Why are you worrying about it? That means we are here in India, and approx 140 crores people are living right now. So these small petty matters happen. This is commonly in the country. Why are you taking it very seriously? Lots of people are dying daily. Lots of people are taking birth daily. So we cannot count this rare case happening in the big cities, because in big countries many of the people. But I want to tell you that I'm talking about the general. It happens, boys plays with girls' emotions.
Yes, sir. Of course, boys plays the girls' emotions.
Really? Do you think so?
Yes, really.
Oh my God! And girls always are loyal towards their boyfriend.
No, every girl is not a loyal, but some girls.
But all boys are playing with girls.
Yes, yes. Because I don't.
I'm also included in that.
I don't know, but sir, I have seen the lots of real case, so I don't have believe in any boys.
You don't trust any boys.
Yes, I don't
Your
trust
trust
any.
got broken. Whom you're going to marry with? You don't get married to anybody.
After marriage, I will trust her. But
Trust her, nahi him.
I will marry them after trust him.
How can you marry with anybody if you don't have any trust in the world's boys? That means what boys you are rejecting?
Because I trust my parents, and my parents search the best boy.
So you will trust.
Yes.
You have already told you that I don't trust any boys. I don't believe. That means you have rejected the world boys. You don't need any boys, because all boys got rejection from you, but they are not worthy for you. So how are you going to make and come into commitment and agreement?
Sir, I'm not rejecting all boys, but the person who has your same heart
As I have.
Then I will select it.
You will select.
Yes.
If he rejects you, then what will you do? Don't you think that boys have also rights to reject a girl's proposal that you are telling? Suppose that you are telling that the person who has the same heart as I have, then I will get married and I'll propose him. So if he is very handsome, if he will be very, very handsome, very, very rich personality of this world, then what would you do? You can also reject your proposal then with whom you are going to get married to.
Firstly, I will talk
to him.
I will talk to him. Then after some time, I expand time.
Spend time. He doesn't want to spend time with you. Then what would you do that time?
Firstly, I don't expand time, and I don't talk her. So I don't
talk to him.
I don't talk to him, so I don't choice.
So you will be single for your entire life?
I don't have single entire life.
Do you want to stay single?
Yes.
Can you stay single?
No, I'm not stay single.
You can't stay single.
Yeah, yes.
You need a boyfriend or like that.
I don't need a boyfriend.
You don't need boyfriend.
Yes, I don't need boyfriend, but my parents select him.
But you want to marry?
Yes, my parents select
him. You want to marry? एक लड़कियों का धर्म होता है.
Yes, it's my
धर्म, religion.
It's my religion. I will marry
But you want to marry or you are following your religion that's you are going to get married? मतलब लड्डू फूट रहे हैं,
Nothing.
शादी करने का मन कर रहा है.
No, nothing. But I will decide कि
I will
when
decide
I will decide कि
that.
that I will decide that कि when जब when
Why do you want to say
firstly
that?
I told them no, firstly my priority like my future goals, when I achieve my future dream then I will marry him.